First BA, first semester, economics subject, microeconomics. First unit, concept, principles of microeconomics. Topic, meaning and definitions of microeconomics. Objectives, to study the meaning and definitions of microeconomics. Outcomes, after completion of these sessions, students will understand the meaning and various definitions of microeconomics. Introduction, definition and meaning. Economics is an important social science. Second one, it's derived from Greek word okos and nomos. Third, it is the study of the allocations of resources. Fourth, the economics problems, limited resources versus unlimited wants. Meaning of microeconomics. Microeconomics is the study of individual, householders, and firms' behaviors in decisions making and allocations of resources. It generally applies to markets of goods and services and deals with individual and economic issues. According to Boulding, microeconomics is a study of particular business firms and particular goods. It is also called slicing methods, since in the methods the whole economics is analyzed by dividing it into smaller parts. According to Mekiers-Dobe, microeconomics is in fact a microscopic study of the economic. It is like looking at the economics through a microscope to find out the working of market for individual commodities and the behaviors of individual consumers and producers. According to Ackley, microeconomics deals with the divisions of total output among the industries, producers and firms, and the allocations of resources among competing groups. It's consider the problems of income distributions. Its interest is in relative price of particular goods and services. According to McCollin, microeconomics is concerned with specified economics units and detailed considerations of the behaviors of those individual units. Reference books: Dr. H. L. Ahuja, Krishnaya Gowda, M. L. Zingan.